Here is how to add space between text in Excel. What I've done is I've put the same text in two boxes so that you will be able to observe the difference. And I've ensured that wrap text has been selected. When you don't select wrap text, what happens is the writing is in a straight line, which we don't want. So wrap text. Now I'm going to click on this arrow over here next to the orientation button, which takes me to the format cell alignment option. Clicking on that allows me to do a lot of different things with the font, but we're going to focus on the text alignment, and instead of general, we are going to select justify. Now once I justify, you will notice that the words develop spaces between them and the writing goes from one end of the box to the other.